Question number 3, exercise 6.5. In figure, ABD is a right angled triangle at A, and AC perpendicular to BD. We need to show these three identities here. AB square is equal to BC into BD. Okay, solution is simple. Let us first have three equations. Consider triangles. Let me name the triangles as the bigger one and the bottom one, bigger one and the top one. Okay, we have two cases here. First, bigger one. Say ABD, triangle ABD and triangle CBA, triangle CBA, ABD and CBA. What we have here, angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. Both are 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle C. Both are 90 degree. And angle B is equal to angle B. Both are common to both triangles. Angle B is equal to angle B. Reason is common. So what we can write here, by AA similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBA. Okay, it's say equation number 1, and we have the corresponding ratios of the sides equal. So what we can write here, AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC is equal to BD divided by AB. BD divided by AB, which is equal to AD by AC. AD by AC. See, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, now similarly, let us consider the bigger triangle and the top one. Say, let it be equation triangle number 2, and what we can write here, triangle ABD and triangle CDA. ABD and right angle at A here. So how can a right angle triangle first? C, and the common is coming D. So CAD. Triangle CAD. Triangle ABD and triangle CAD. What we can write here? Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A is equal to angle C. Both are 90 degree. And angle D is equal to angle D. Angle D equal to angle D. What is the reason? Both are common angles. So again, by the similar analysis, by AA similarity, what we can write here, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CAD. Say equation number 3. Okay, by the ratio of the similar corresponding sides and similar, we can make the similar equation. AB divided by AC equal to BD by AD. BD by AD equal to AD by CD. AD by CD. So let it be equation number 4. Now again, in 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, both left side are same and are similar to corresponding one triangles. Since left side are same, what we can write here, right side triangles also must be similar. So what we can write here, triangle CBA is similar to triangle CAD. Triangle CAD, and say let it be equation number 5, and the corresponding side equations will be ABC or CB. BC divided by AC equal to AB divided by AD. AB by AD, which is equal to AC by CD. AC by CD. Say equation number 6. Okay, now let us have the solutions to what it is asked. After all these equations, 6 equations. First one, we need to show that AB square is equal to BC into BD. For that, we need to consider equation 2. So let me write like this. Equation 2, equate first 2. We have AB by BC equal to BD by AB. On cross multiplying, we will get AB square is equal to BC into BD. AB square is equal to BC into BD. So first one, it is very simply proved. Second one, what we need to do here, AC square. AC square is where we have here AC square is equal to BC into CD. We need to prove here. Second one, AC square is equal to BC into CD. For that, let us consider equation number 6. What is equation number 6? BC by AC and AC by CD. So what we can write here, 6 gives, equation number 6 gives AC by, sorry, let me change the color. What is equation number 6? BC by AC equal to AC by CD. AC by CD. On cross multiplication, what we will get, AC into AC. AC square is equal to BC into DC. BC into DC or CD, whatever it is correct only. Okay, so we have the second solution also. Now we need to prove the third one. What is third one? For that we need to consider fourth one, equation number 4. What is equation number 4? We need to prove AD square. So consider these two. Okay, so we have from equation 4, let me change the color. I will write on the top. Okay, what is equation number 4? Equation number 4 from what we are getting here, AB by AD. AB by AD equal to, AB by AD is equal to, where is equation number 4? Equation number 4 is BD by AD equal to, BD by AD is equal to AD by CD. AD by CD. On cross multiplication, we will get AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay, we proved the third one also.